Do you hear that? It sounds like an animal. But what kind of animal? Let's listen again. Do you have any idea what it could be? It was Twinkle all along. She's my best friend, and today you and I are going to draw a picture of Twinkle together. Follow along at home.
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn. Popz Treehouse.
First, let's start with her beak. Then, 2 round circles on either side for her eyes. Draw 2 larger circles around the outside of her eyes. Draw a line across the top, then on either side, leaving a finger space opening to put in her ears after. Next, draw her 2 pointy ears on either side. At the end of the lines, draw a shape that looks like a leaf. Draw 2 other lines coming from the bottom with a finger space in between. And fill those finger spaces with a curvy line on top and a curvy line on the bottom for her feet. Now, let's draw some moon shapes for her feathers. I think she needs a tree branch for her to sit on. And finally, a splash of color.
What do you think? Does it look like Twinkle? The important thing is, we did our best. And friends, with your parents' permission, you can visit popztreehouse.com and download your very own Twinkle coloring activity page to print off and color at home. I would love to see some of your beautiful creations. All you have to do is have your parents tag me on my social channels with your beautiful artwork. And you never know, it could be featured on an upcoming episode. If you want to see more of my fun videos, just search for Popz Treehouse. And always remember to dream, imagine, and believe. Later, Gators!